Muy bien, so un repasito. We're doing, this is our quick review for before the quiz. Now, for you guys, sixth period tomorrow, you guys are going to be watching the YouTube video that first period did today. And so you're getting your review right now. First period, you are going to be, this is your review for the quiz, and for both classes I'll make sure and give you directions for the quiz so you know what to do. So, your quiz today are going to be on the verbos radicales, and it's only the ones that are from E to I, from E to I. So it's just these ones right here, E to I. So we have repite todos, pedir, to ask for or to order. We have repite, decir, to say or to tell. Notice it's starred. What does that mean? Go verb. So we have repite, yo digo. Okay, we have conseguir. To obtain or to get. Muy bien, to get or to obtain, and the yo form would be yo consigo, because it's a go verb. So we have repite, yo digo, yo consigo. We have repetir. ¿Qué significa repetir?
To repeat.
To repeat. Repetir is to repeat or to like have another of something, like we saw in the entry task today. And then we have seguir. ¿Qué significa seguir?
To follow.
To follow or to continue. Okay, right now, por favor, on your pizarrita, I want you to draw a circle. Actually, we're going to do that. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I just want to see what you do now. We're going to draw a circle, and these are your go verbs. Go verbs. And we're going to do a little web here. And I want you to write down the yo form and the infinitive of as many go verbs as you can think of. The yo form and the infinitive. So like we just talked about, decir is one, right?
Okay.
So you'd write down decir, and what's the yo form?
Decigo.
Yo.
Dago.
Yeah, there you go. Yo digo. Perfect.
3 of them are up there.
Yo digo. That is correct.
How many are there?
I'm not sure how many you guys have yet.
5.
5, yeah.
5?
Yeah, and then there's...
And then the weird
Tango.
ones that we haven't really
Tango.
learned yet.
Oh, veneer, baby.
Ah. Okay, so what was one you just said?
Tener.
Tener. And the yo form is?
Tango.
Yo tengo.
Veneer.
Venir, muy bien. Venir.
Tango.
Isn't oír a
And it's yo vengo.
verb too?
Huh?
Isn't oír a...
Oír. We learned that one on Friday. Oír. And it's yo.
Oigo.
Oigo. Oigo. Remember, sound it out. Oigo. Not ogo. You have to add an I-go. Oigo.
Is there one or no?
No, there isn't one. It's an irregular yo, though. Yeah.
Can I borrow a marker, please?
See. Yep, just put some fodder on my desk. What other ones do we have? We have 2 more.
Just kidding.
We got decir.
Oh, conseguir.
Conseguir. What is conseguir?
To obtain or to get?
To get or to obtain. Conseguir. And it's yo. Consigo. Sigo or sego?
Sigo.
Sigo, because it's a stem changer. And seguir is going to be yo.
Sego.
Sego
Se-
or sigo?
Sigo.
Sigo. Yo sigo. Okay, let's do kind of we're going to take our circle out one more. And if it is a stem changer, I want you to tell me what kind. So venir, what kind of stem changer?
E to I-E.
E to I-E. E to I-E. Muy bien. Tell YouTube hello.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, tener, we have E to what?
I-E.
I-E. How about decir?
E to I.
E to I, so you know that one will be on the quiz tomorrow. How about seguir?
E to I.
E to I.
Oir.
And seguir, conseguir is
E to I.
E to I again.
And then oir is in a stem change.
It is not a stem changer, you're absolutely right. But maybe, what little star would we maybe want to write here?
Go verb.
Weird.
It's a go verb, it's irregular,
Wait, is
and
it
did we finish the,
No,
it
we
means to hear,
So-
absolutely.
No,
Okay.
we finished that one. We didn't
Some of
finish
your forms are going to have a Y in them. And we're going to talk, you guys will see this in the video tomorrow, and you'll get introduced to that, okay? All right. So any questions there? changing the nosotros? Check your spelling. You got it. Perfect. Muy bien. Nosotros, that's we say or tell. Hola. Okay, we have repite todos. Nosotros pedimos.
Nosotros pedimos.
I love that, Raymond, I love that you went to the next level. And if you're a person that's getting your whiteboard up there, bam, 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 you know what's going on. He started to write a sentence to it. Nosotros pedimos, what does it say? Los tacos en el restaurante. What did we order? Tacos in the restaurant. Muy bien. Okay, how about, all right, are you ready? I'm going to give you a hard one. He says that he wants tacos. He says that he wants tacos. He says. To say or to tell is this one right here. He says that he wants tacos.
That.
Check your spelling on that one. Nice. Muy bien.
He wants tacos.
Muy bien. Okay, he says that. You need a that he wants.
Wait, can you repeat the sentence one more time?
Absolutely. He says that. He says that.
He wants.
He wants tacos. He says that he wants tacos. He says, and remember he says is a stem changer from E to I, E to I, so make sure you got that stem change. We have repite, él dice.
Él dice.
Él dice.
Él dice.
¿Qué quiere?
¿Qué quiere?
Los tacos.
I thought you couldn't.
Conjugate two in a row.
Yeah.
What makes us able to conjugate both of them? It's the that.
It's not too much.
Because it has a K in between it. He says that he wants tacos. But that's a good, I like that you're thinking about that. All right, let me do another one here.
That was his.
What? Oops, I'm sorry. Thank you. They ask for help with the what?
Profesora.
With a professor? They ask for help from the teacher? From the let's do, they ask for help
with their
with
problems.
the test.
With their problems.
With a homework?
With
With
their
their
problems.
with their problems. All right, they ask for help with their problems. They ask for help with their problems. They ask for help. So what's the verb to ask for? Pedir is to ask for, to order. So they ask for, ellos
Could you have we said?
piden.
Could you have we said?
You couldn't in this case, because usted would be you all formal. That'd be a second person one.
Okay.
And this one is third. They ask for, what do they ask for? Help. ¿Cómo se dice help? Ayuda. Muy bien.
Necesito ayuda.
They ask for help with their problems.
With.
How do you say with?
Con.
Con
Con el problema.
sus problemas.
Right.
I might potentially possibly be reading you some of the sentences from the paragraph to help you translate them tomorrow on the quiz. So it's a great idea if you're paying attention to this part. So the first section is just straight up conjugation.
Yep.
Okay? He, and it will be only these verbs right here. So it'll be like he continues, she says, blah, 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 blah. Okay? The second section on the quiz is the reading box. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, strategy number 1. What do we do? Before you read any of the paragraph, what do?
You write what the verbs
Define what the words in the box mean. And chicos, I want to actually see it written on your quiz. Okay? You are going to be filling in the blanks with the correct verb, and then you have to conjugate that verb. Okay? On the back side of the quiz, which it looks like, chicos, the quizzes are messed up again. Work on that right now. The next part of the quiz, you're going to get a place a place and an action that can be completed in that place. So, for example, nosotros repetimos los verbos. We repeat verbs. Where? In la clase or in la escuela, en el colegio, right? Pedimos una hamburguesa. Pedimos una hamburguesa. In un restaurante. Good. Where else could we be? In un café, maybe? Or in la cafeteria. In la cafeteria. Muy bien. How about sigue una guía. Sigue una guía. Or sigue al guía. What does a guía sound like? A guía. A guide. Guía is a guide. So where might you follow a guide? In los museos. In los museos. When you go to big museums, they have guided tours where you can follow a guide and then they'll explain everything that you're seeing.
They have guided.
Do you want to?
What about like visiting monuments or whatever?
One of this one and that one. That one isn't one of the options, so you pick el museo. Okay. Where might you? Where might you ver un partido de fútbol?
No park.
In El Casa.
Oh, part.
And I'll shoot.
You're going to see this in person though.
Oh.
Oh,
El estadio. There you go.
no one
So
sees
that's that one. And all of the descriptive sentences will be using these kind of verbs. Okay? So, okay, I got another really good one. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, write this down.
Brent says, translate it,
Okay.
he says that
Okay.
the team is going to win. He says that the team is going to win. He says, you can do this. He says that the team, you don't need to follow me on this one, is going to win. And what could you say is going to win? If you tried to add a little more detail there, what could you say? Really close. Check your verbs. Okay, how do you say you are going to do something in the near future? Ear plus, yeah, va,
Oh, article. I mean,
Infinitive.
It's going to be an infinitive, and what are our, we have paired air and
Ganar.
ganar. Muy bien. So, él dice que,
L equal.
el what?
Equipo.
Equipo. Repite todos. Sixth period, you better be repeating. Repite. Equipo.
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 Not equipo. Equipo.
Equipo.
Equipo. Él dice que el equipo va a ganar. Is going, what are they going to do? To win. Okay? And then the last section of the quiz is exactly like the entry task from today. You have to answer questions and complete sentences. So maybe like a really good bonus question. Can you list 5 ODUE stem changers? 5 ODUE stem changers? Do that on your whiteboards. Just the infinitives. You just need to write down the infinitive. 5 O to UE stem changers. 5 O to UE stem changers. There are purple verbs, so think of the purple group. Check that second one and check your ending on the mostrar one. O to UE. Oh, am I able to go to the bathroom right now? No, I have to return to class.
That's a P.
I have to return to class.
We kind of have to stay in class.
where I will show you or demonstrate to you.
My awesomeness.
Wait, did I get it?
Encounter something.
No.
Uh-huh. All right, what do we have? So we have almorzar is to eat lunch, volver to
Return
How
as
do
a
you-
person.
return a person, dormir
To sleep.
to sleep, mostrar
To show.
To show.
to show, poder
To be
to be able to, and do we have any more?
Encontrar.
Encontrar is to
Find.
find. Contar.
Tell a story.
Good man. Will you repeat that one more time?
Contar, to tell a story or to count.
Muy bien. Contar, to tell a story or to count. Okay, let me see. And could you tell me the meanings of all of those verbs?
Yeah, I
Maybe.
think so.
Okay, I feel like that would be a great bonus question if you were to know that. So tonight, you're going to notice your homework was CP 43. This is the one that you guys are turning into Miss Beckman tomorrow for 5 points, CP 43. And in order to get credit, you must turn in your quiz corrections for the O to UE verbs, the O to UE quiz that we handed back today. How do you do quiz corrections in this class?
Different colors.
Bright color, like
Like a
flashy.
colored pencil, you do it directly on the quiz, okay? Do I actually notice whether you put the right answers down or not?
Yes.
Yeah, I do. Does Miss Beckman?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's really good.
Are we getting points back?
You get an assignment grade for it. It's a grade. It goes a part of your assignment. And actually, I'll make it worth 10 points. How's that?
Okay.
So it'll be worth 10 points. 5 points for the workbook page and 5 points for doing your quiz corrections. You can use your books. You can use your notes. You can use your friends, but you can't use
You.
me. You can't use me. And when I come back on Wednesday, then we will talk about any common errors or things that we noticed. The idea why I wanted you to do the quiz corrections for this test is because it's very similar to the one you're going to take tomorrow.
All right.
So that way it would kind of reinforce it over your brain. So let's talk. Adios.
Adios.